Hi, everyone. How are you? We're getting ready for next week in distance learning. And so I just wanted to give you a quick heads up on how we're going to do this with computer science. All right. Now, first of all, I only see you on A days or B days. So you just don't get too worked up about how much you have to do and so on and so forth. We'll get through it and it'll be all right. Okay. Make sure that you are using Google Chrome as your browser. So however you're getting on the internet, make sure and get in this habit for everything you're going to do school wise. So if you're on something that's an Apple product, whether it's a phone, an iPad, or a Mac computer, their default is usually Safari for the web browser. I'm going to recommend get on Google Chrome because then you can sync your school, your Hastings Apps account, and everything will be brought in and all your passwords and everything are saved. Okay. In Schoology, I will post a small message or something every day that we have class. Okay. So typically what'll happen, okay, when you sign into Schoology and look at computer science, you're going to see a little folder that has today's date. And I'll probably have some kind of very, very short video message. And then you'll kind of watch that, and everything that we're doing right now is in code.org. All right. So you got to make sure you can get into Schoology and code.org, and we'll kind of go from there. Now, just to refresh your memory, since it's been so long since we've been in code, we have been working in Unit 3, all this animation and gaming, and here's what we've been programming so far. Okay, so we've gotten through all of these lessons, and the last things that I had shown to you were in lesson 13. Okay, and you were working with if-else statements. I have in the grade book two parts here. This first checkoff was at 5, and then when you get to the end here in 12 and levels 12 and 13, those also were some checkpoints that I'm putting in the grade book. Okay. So if you don't have those done and you're looking for something to do before next week begins, get caught up on those kind of things. And then please give me a quick email and tell me that you have things done, because I will spend the weekend cleaning up grades and stuff. What I can tell you is your grade for third quarter is just going to be through lesson 13. So if you've got everything done, you're in super shape. If you still have stuff to finish, hurry up and finish it, because starting on Monday, what we're going to do is I'm going to start introducing you to our project for the interactive card. And I'm going to open up lesson 14 and have you start working on that. That actually, though, will be the first grade that will go in on fourth quarter. Technically, the end of third quarter is Friday, April 3rd. Okay, so I'm kind of closing down everything that I had assigned before spring break, which is through all these levels right up here of lesson 13. That's what you need to have done for your grades by this Friday or April 3rd. Okay. Then we'll get on to the rest of it. So as you interact with me through Schoology, basically it's just going to be to watch a video and then work in code.org. And then I will communicate to you then how we're going to proceed with checking off things with your project. Okay. And then we'll proceed from there. All right. I don't want this class to be a stressor for you because you've got a whole bunch of other classwork to do. So you're just going to kind of plug along and go from there, and we'll enjoy and have some fun till we can be all back together. Alrighty, have a good weekend. See you on Monday or Tuesday.